Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix GTA 5 not launching on Steam. First, open your Steam app. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Click Library in the top menu bar to view your list of games. Find GTA 5, right-click on it, and select Properties. In the Properties window, click the Installed Files tab, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check for missing or corrupted files and re-download them if needed. Once verification is complete, click Browse to open the game folder. Find the GTA 5 application file, right-click on it, and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab and check the box labeled Run this program as an administrator. Close all windows and return to your Steam library. Try launching GTA 5 again, and that is it. You have just completed a few key steps to fix GTA 5 not launching on Steam. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.